Hi guys, and how are you all? I hope you're doing absolutely well. And I know, guys, I am filming here after a long time, but sorry for that because I literally took like 1 week here for settling here abroad. So, if you're new to my channel, hi guys, I am Aditi, and I'm film videos basically related to beauty, lifestyle, and travel vlog. And I recently moved here to Cardiff in order to pursue my higher studies here. So it's been like 1 week. I have trying to getting adapted to this country. So I will give you an honest review, my experience, and like what I'm facing and what not I'm going through. So I'll give you each and everything update in this video, guys. So starting from the day one, like day one B is your very difficult, okay, difficult day. It was the toughest day. I literally felt very lonely and homesick, but I survived it through my family and friends. So thanks to them all, guys. And I miss you and I love you guys. So the second thing is like, you are new to this place. You have to learn new things here and do each and everything on your own and independently. I honestly tell you, like, I'm the one, the pampered kid of my house. Like, I don't know how to cook. Like, I barely wash my clothes, like, honestly. And here, we have to do each and everything on your own. Like, buying your groceries, doing your kitchen, like your cooking, then organizing your wardrobe, then your room you have to keep clean, grooming, sweeping, and cleaning washroom. What not we have to do here. Like, I honestly tell you, यहाँ के लोग like they never mind. Like they don't. They will tell like mind your own business. Like it's like that. I tell you honestly. So I think it was difficult like 1 week, but however I managed to survive here. But yeah, the third thing is like trying to make new friends, guys, because you have to get adapt to each and everyone is very difficult. Okay, also trusting others is the toughest part. Don't trust each and everyone, okay? So be careful and make good friends, guys, here, because they are the ones who are going to be your like family for those remaining years, okay? Here. So fourth thing is like finding a part-time job, which is the biggest struggle here. And the fifth thing, the last thing here is like there are days when you feel lonely, homesick, like especially on weekends. So, like, because people usually tend to chill here like during weekends, but so we feel like lonely during these days, and I think it's the toughest part. But you all are not, guys, alone, and I think we all are running in the same path. All the international students can relate here. So I took some today, like few minutes to talk to you guys, like what I'm feeling, like really. Sometimes, like I feel like I want to talk with somebody, like there are like especially you want to share like what you're going through, what you're feeling. So I just felt like talking to you all, guys. So just one thing, remember in your mind, like those students like traveling abroad, okay, internationally. Just remember one thing, key. If you have decided to come here, be just mentally prepared for each and every struggle coming in your life, okay? There will be ups and downs in your life, but just stay positive and go through it. And remember one thing in your mind, that there is no turn back here, guys, okay? So you have come here and you have to do it and keep yourself motivated, okay? You have to push yourself, okay, no matter what happens, but you have to push yourself. That's what I'm staying positive and keeping myself here, like going through this 1 week, how it was. It was pretty difficult, but I think I get adapted like pretty, like it takes like 2-3 months here to get adapted. So yeah, I hope get adapted here like properly in this country. So guys, stay updated with me for my struggles. I will be sharing with you each and everything updates about like how my uni looks like when I go like next week. My uni haven't yet started here. So I felt like talking with you guys today and sharing my experience, guys. Bye.